Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore Supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by using our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has identified Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.01. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 20.21% since we first designated Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.75% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 51% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 36% to 58%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 11%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 78% to negative 4% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $11.57 and $50.67. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Supermicrocomputer stock price increased by 1.59% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, rising from $51.70 to $52.52. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.94%, with a low of $51.33 and a high of $53.35. The price has shown volatility during this period, and there has been a 4.29% gain over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 12 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 37 million shares were exchanged for approximately $1.920 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $73, while the lowest price came in at $17.25. Currently, the price is 28.05%, or $20.48, below the 52-week high, and 57.27%. or $70.38, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, is generating positive momentum as it prepares for its fourth quarter earnings report on the 5th of August, 2025. Recent analysis has upgraded SMCI to a buy rating, indicating that negative sentiment and previous regulatory risks are already reflected in the stock price. Analysts anticipate a strong earnings performance for the fourth quarter, driven by a rebound in sales within the high-performance computing and artificial intelligence sectors, alongside resumed shipments of graphics processing units to China. Moreover, the demand for SMCI's server and storage solutions has surged, highlighting a robust growth trajectory. In the past 3 months, SMCI stock has soared by nearly 70%. However, challenges such as escalating costs and fierce competition are raising concerns regarding margin pressures. Management's emphasis on recovering margins and reducing inventory will be crucial factors to monitor. The upcoming financial results call could act as a catalyst for short-term price movement, as positive remarks may further enhance investor confidence. In the long term, if SMCI can effectively navigate market pressures while leveraging its artificial intelligence and high-performance computing solutions, the stock could potentially double in value. Overall, the recent upgrades and market dynamics present a compelling case for SMCI as a strong contender in the technology sector moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a sector weight grade with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initiate action. Analysts have collectively assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $51.90 and $47.14. A decline below any of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 1.32%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 19 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy opportunity 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 50 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average indicated a sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy opportunity 45 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $46.15 and $45. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may cause the stock to decline to the next support level. In this instance, Supermicro Computer finds support just below today's level at $46.15. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $45.40 and $43.96. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.02 between its high and low, or 3.94%. Over the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 4.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, typically observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts are forecasting consensus estimates at 440 thousandths of a dollar. Keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $52.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Super Microcomputer encounters its first support level at $46.15. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Super Microcomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Liang Charles conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 20th of May, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 510 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 820 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider sale of 275 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 83.004. Overall, insiders purchased 107,186 shares and sold 1,400,570 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $50.36, which represents a decline of 4.11%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, together with an overall positive trend, suggest that this level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Super Microcomputer stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, July 25th, we anticipate that Super Microcomputer will open lower by 12 cents, starting at $52.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.